Hello, my name is Wolfgang. I'm from Austria. I'm a sound engineer in Austria here, and I will unbox a Midas DL231. I apologize for the bad sound quality and my bad English, and now let's do that together. So we've got a transport case. It has 19 kilograms. It took 1 week to come here. Let's open that. Usually when you get a Midas product you have a second cover. In this case it's directly in the outer box. What do we find here? It's very well packed here. We find rack mount accessories. We find 2 cable IEC connectors with a lock. That's very useful. Here we have our new toy here. So let's put it out. What you find on the floor here is silica gel. That's for the transport. You should not put it somewhere where you have some kids around. So now let's go to the stage box and the splitter. We have the front panel here. I will remove this later. It's a very nice blue, so you have the professional series, very good knobs here. And when we look to the back, so here we have 24 inputs, 24 outputs, and the AES connectors, Ethernet control, and the double power supply, which is very important. I use also a USB for power supply on the stage, so if you accidentally unplug the device it will run around. Let's take a look to the handbook. First thing is very interesting that you have a menu flowchart inside here, so you can just start to go into the programming and into the setup. As you know, you can use this DL231 as a digital AES-50 stage box for the Midas systems. Also, you have a splitter with 2 preamps per channel, and you can use it for analog splitting. So you can use your old or high-end gear in analog technology, and then you need to go to the menu here. So it's a good overview here. So back from the old days, analog days, we have a 6-unit case here. I will use that for our stage box. What we have inside is a Furman power conditioner M10 LXE. It's a new one. And I like to protect my device from scratches. So the first thing is, just in case, I put some little protectors here so it can slip inside better, and just it's a little bit distance for the ventilation. Now we turn it around again. And we can push it inside. So 14 kilos, it's not bad. Okay. Okay, the screws should fit here, so I prepared it already. The problem is this case is not very deep, so let's see if it will fit with the connectors on the rear side. So one problem what we have here is we have a normal European connector here, and we will not be able to put that on the firmament. So I prepared some connectors already here. So I have connected the power cords. Now we will check if the cover will fit here. Yeah, that's no problem. What I have here is a very old Behringer rack light. I will mount that here because it's really crucial to have a good light for the connectors, or maybe, let's see, maybe we use another rack light. We will see that later. Okay, so we have mounted the stage box into a case. Now I have the original Clark Technic snake, and I would not recommend to use it. It's very stiff cable, but in the moment it's all we have, so we connect it. The other side is connected to a Midas M32, and we will connect here. The Midas is already switched on, so let's see what happens when we switch. So let's switch it on and listen what happens. This is really loud, and I'm not sure if that's appropriate for recording sessions or a quiet stage environment, so you have to think about that. Volume goes down, it's connected to the M32, that's really fast. But I'm pretty sure that the volume will go up with a heavy use, so yeah, think about that. So now as we connect the mixer to the stage box, it's really fast. We have a connection as soon as possible. I will go to the menu now, and I will change the sample rate, because the Midas M32 uses a sample rate of 48K, and we select this, and as you can see, we are done, we are connected, and we can try it with the microphone now. Okay, now we are on the Midas M32. We go to the routing tab, and we can see the device is already connected. It's really easy to use. And on inputs I choose AS50. A is one of the cables, and I use this. So now the first thing is to connect the microphone. We have the microphone here. And I will connect it to channel, let's see, channel 1 at A. So now you can see the whole mixer here. The setup, I will explain the setup in another video, I think. The additional screens and the setup, but we want to check if we have a signal over the stage box. I connected the microphone before on channel 1, input 1, and I use the microphone here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, the gain, yeah, 1, 2, and as you can see I have a signal here, and it's that easy. It's that easy to use the stage box. So just unpack it, connect it, and start to work. The whole device is very heavy and reliable. The thing I worry a little bit is, as you can see, the air vents here are completely open. So I don't know what's happening with the dust here. Same here on the front side, no cover for the air vents, so no dust cover. Let's see what happens if we have it some days on the stage. So today I did an unwrap of the DL231. I connected it very quick with the M32 mixer. It was easy setup, really easy. In the meantime we have a flexible rack light here. So looking forward to the concerts. Thanks for watching, and maybe we see on the next video about the M32 mixer. Thank you.